Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special for you, the pure Dola silk bandej lehenga. As we open the package, we can already feel excitement building, and there it's the stunning pure Dola silk bandej lehenga in all its glory. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable. This lehenga features intricate bandej work done by skilled artisans, adding a touch of elegance and grace. Now let's talk about fabric. Made from pure Dola silk, this lehenga feels luxury against the skin. The fabric is soft and smooth, comfortable. You will definitely make a statement while wearing it. What's great about this lehenga? Its versatility. It can be worn for various accessories, be it wedding, festive, or any celebration. The vibrant color and embellishment make it stand out from the crowd. Pair it with the light accessories and you are ready to make a hat turn. The stitching and fitting for this lehenga are incapable. It's available in various sizes, ensuring the perfect fit for every body type, so you don't have to worry about alteration and adjustment. In term of value for money, this pure Dola silk bandej lehenga exceptional. Not only does it look expensive, but it's also affordable. You will be amazed at the quality you are getting for such a remarkable price. To sum it up, the pure Dola silk bandej lehenga offers stylish and comfort and affordable. It's a wardrobe essential that every fashion enthusiast should have. So go ahead, add this beauty to your collection and elevate your fashion game. So guys, thank you for watching our video of the pure Dola silk bandej lehenga. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspirations, review